How to fix photos not loading on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve gallery issues and video errors when photos won't display on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, find and tap on Gallery or Photos app in the list. Now, tap on Storage to access storage options. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. This often fixes photo loading issues without deleting your actual images. Moving forward, go back to the App Info page. Tap on Permissions to check access settings. Make sure storage permission is set to Allow. Afterwards, tap on Force Stop to completely close the Gallery app. Wait a moment and then reopen your Gallery or Photos app. Check if your photos are now loading properly. Alternatively, if photos still won't load, check your storage space. Go back to Settings and tap on Battery and Device Care. Tap on Storage to see how much space is available. If storage is almost full, delete unnecessary files or move photos to cloud storage. Low storage can prevent photos and videos from loading correctly. Additionally, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, open your Gallery app again and check if photos are loading. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix photos not loading on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.